and welcome to My College Corner. I'm John Hupalo of Invite Education. Previously, we looked at federal student, federal parent, and private credit loans. Today, we conclude the series on college loans with a few tips. First, borrow as little as possible. Consider how much total borrowing is likely to be needed to get through college. Student debt is considered manageable if it is less than the student's expected first-year salary. Tip number 2, whether required or not, pay interest on loans while the student is in school. Unless the government is paying it for you, the interest capitalizes, and the student will owe more when they leave school than when they started. Then they're paying interest on the greater balance, driving up the total cost of the loan. Tip number 3, the Federal Direct Loan Program works best for most students. Be sure to complete the required FAFSA form as soon after October 1st as possible, and don't miss the filing deadlines. Tip number 4, parents should shop for loans and compare the Federal Plus loan to private loans. Plus loans are too easy to get, have high costs, and are not capped. Compare fees, interest rates, and repayment terms to traditional lenders' private loans, particularly those with a cosigner release. Tip number 5, pay promptly. No matter who the borrower is, missing a payment, a delinquency, or stopping payment altogether, a default, can result in severe and lasting consequences. Student loan defaults greatly lower your credit rating and stay on your credit report for 7 years, making it very difficult to get a car loan or a home loan mortgage or any other financial aid for education. Tip number 6, if you're getting behind on your payments, call the lender or student loan servicer to see what options you have, particularly if you have federal loans. They have very favorable repayment options. Finally, this may sound a little counterintuitive, but consider a loan for a student even if they may not need to borrow. Why? Borrowing a small amount senior year in college gives the student an opportunity to establish a track record of managing debt responsibly. I co-signed a loan for my daughter. She paid a very minimal interest while in school and graduated with good credit. Thanks so much for visiting My College Corner. Please send your comments, questions, and ideas to podcast@inviteeducation.com. And until next time, remember, saving $1 today is better than borrowing one tomorrow.